from scratch. If you want to compile C Python yourself, first thing you should do is to get the source. You can download either the latest releases source or just grab a fresh clone. If you want to contribute patches, you will need a clone. The build process consists of the usual commands dot slash configure mac install, configuration options and caveats for specific Unix platforms are extensively documented in the readme.rst file in the root of the Python source tree. Warning: Mac install can overwrite or masquerade the Python 3 binary. Mac alt install is therefore recommended instead of Mac install since it only installs exec underscore prefix slash my bean slash Python version.